Speaking of earnings, we're going to continue with this train. T-Mobile earnings are out. The company topping forecasts on both the top and bottom lines, handily beating estimates for postpaid wireless mobile additions as well. The company also raising its full-year customer and financial guidance. Shares are moving higher right now. You can see up more than 4%. And joining us exclusively before the conference call is T-Mobile CEO Mike Sievert. Mike, it's great to have you back on. Let's start right there. It was very much a beat across the board, and you raised guidance. What gives you the confidence to do it?
Well, no one should be surprised by this, Morgan. I mean, this is the effect of one company able to simultaneously offer the best network in the country and the best value. So customers are moving to T-Mobile. This was an all-time record Q2 for postpaid net additions and postpaid phone net additions. Huge record for us, but at the same time, financials beating expectations, and we're moving guidance up. So it really shows that the model, the durable advantages of T-Mobile are firing on all cylinders.
So your guidance reflects the inclusion of Metronet. It excludes the acquisition of U.S. Cellular. How to think about your portfolio moving forward now that you did just make this, you did just close this acquisition and also just strike a partnership with our parent company, Comcast and Charter for business customers starting in 2026?
Well, let's start with that cable partnership. Last night, we announced that we were entering into a partnership with both of the biggest cable companies to provide wireless services through their brands to small and medium business customers. This is just a classic win-win. T-Mobile's mostly about the very smallest of businesses, where we already compete with cable, and 1,000-line enterprises and above, which are not included in this transaction. So we actually have very little exposure to this area where the new partnership is. We think it's going to be highly incremental, and we're excited to be in the partnership.
Churn, especially when we're talking about not just postpaid, but also prepaid. There was some commentary from one of your rivals, AT&T, this morning about the impacts of lower immigration on that business.
Well, we saw a very healthy prepaid business, and that's net of a healthy migration from prepaid to postpaid. One of the advantages of our business is we have a very high-quality prepaid base, some of whom actually qualify for postpaid, and we were able to see that migration happen this quarter. Yet again, it's just another source of strength for us. Our customers, Morgan, this is fascinating. T-Mobile customers are the best paying customers in this industry. The postpaid bad debt as a percentage of total revenues is the lowest of the major benchmark competitors at T-Mobile.
And finally, there's been some reports in the last couple of weeks that you might be possibly stepping down from the CEO role. Any veracity to it?
A lot about those reports they got wrong. Nobody's made any decisions like that. But one thing they got right was that I did recruit Srini Gopalan here as part of our long-term succession plan. Srini is just fantastic, and people are going to be hearing from him yet again on today's report.